child. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm CURLYSU91, and if this is your first time, then welcome. So today I'm doing a Rihanna inspired hairstyle, and I don't know how that's gonna go. But considering we're under quarantine and I'm pretty much in the house, I wanted to try something new on my hair, so stay tuned if you want to see how this goes. Okay guys, so Rihanna, a lot of years back, there was this trend going around with this wrap hairstyle that she was rocking. And yes, I know her hair is straight, but I want to try it on my curly hair. So we're gonna try a wrap hairstyle on my curly hair. And to be honest, I wanted to like make it like, you know, look extra. I think that's the word. And so I have these like cute little pearl clips that I'm going to put in there, and y'all pray for me because I don't know how this is gonna go. But hopefully it turns out great and we get like a new hairstyle, a new trend. But I'm just trying this out. So if you want to see me either fail or do really well at like pulling off this hairstyle, then stay tuned. Okay, I would anticipate that we're going to need a lot of water for this. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Curl Activator. And I'm going to also be using this snot. Then I'll be using the Denman brush and my Tangle Teaser because I anticipate that I'm going to need it. And then a normal brush to smooth out my hair at the end. And last but not least, we're going to be using some of these really cute pearl clips that I got, and y'all, they are so super cheap on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. But so I did a wet look, and y'all, it was good because it stretched out my hair, but it was so much gel. So this is probably going to be close to a wet look, but without all the gel. More so we'll use the snot, which is practically gel, but let's not think about those details, okay? Okay, so let's spray our hair with water, and my hair has been shampooed, so let's try this out. So I'm gonna just put in some full sections, okay? All right, so now I have my 4 sections. I'm just going to go ahead and put this Cream of Nature Curl Activator in. Y'all, this just looks like it's gonna be super moisturizing. Look at this. Woo! And it's thick. So we're gonna just work this through each section of my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm going to add some snot to my hair. And I know this is kind of like overkill, but to be honest with y'all, my hair is not gonna lay down if it doesn't have something that's gonna like tame it. I know it. So I'm gonna just like add this snot, and it feels so gross, but I'm gonna go ahead, add the snot all through my hair, and then I'll be back. So I usually only put snot in my hair I usually only put snot on the surface of my hair, and I usually only put it when I want my hair to be tamed. And clearly, I'm gonna need my hair to be tamed for this hairstyle. And so I'm done with the snot, and now we can go ahead and start trying this spray that my hair knows how to behave today. Just pray. All right, let's see. So if you've never wrapped your hair before, you're going to need to slick your hair all around. And if you need bobby pins to help you do that, then you go ahead and put bobby pins to secure parts of your hair. I hate putting bobby pins, but we might need to for this depending on how my hair behaves. So we might need bobby pins or some clips to keep certain parts of my hair intact. So all we're doing, and when they say wrap, they literally mean you just wrapping your hair around your head. And so I'm done with this side, so let's go to the back. Done with the back. So now we're gonna make our way to the front. See how this goes. All right. Now we're going to try to bring my hair around. Now this is the hard part because all your hair is in like one place. All the ends of your hair is in one place. So whew, that's the hard part. Okay. All right. We have part of that done. Okay. We're getting there, sort of, I think. Ooh. We're almost there. Wee.
7 hours later.
So the middle portion of the hair is usually the hardest part of doing this. So now I'm just gonna take that middle portion and try to slick it with the rest of my hair. Okay.
Many hours later.
We're almost there. Look at this, y'all. This is a lot further than I thought I'd come. So let's try to clean it up, especially at the top here. Let's see if we could clean this up.
Several days later. "2,000 years later."
We're almost there. We just have this piece to do. Oh, child. It's not gonna work out. We're gonna figure out another hairstyle, okay? Let's do a real slick back. Yep, let's do that.